welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today is a very fun and interesting video. I saw a video on TikTok where this girl had to pick 3 random eyeshadow shades and then create a look with only those 3 eyeshadows, and I was like, I totally have to do that. So for today's look, I am going to be using the James Charles palette. I was going to use the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, but I've already done 2 videos using it and I didn't want to flood you guys with that. So I decided to break out the James Charles palette and create a look using it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on Google and have Google pick random numbers for me. So let's say the first one's 5. I'll go ahead and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that will be the first shade, or not the first shade, but that will be one of the shades I have to use. And then I'll do that for the next 2 numbers. And then whatever I get, those 3 shades I have to create an eyeshadow look with. I cannot use any other shadow. But without further ado, let's just get started. I'm going to prime my eyes with MAC Painterly and also set it with just a powder and eyeshadow just to set my eyeshadow base. And then we'll go ahead and pick the numbers. So now on Google, I'm just going to search random number generator. And then it says min and max is 39 because that's how many shadows are in the palette. I click done and then generate. So the first shade is 27, generate, 10, generate, and 1. Alright, so I have to create a look using those shades. Now, looking at it right now, it picked number 1, and number 1 is a skin tone color. And I don't know how that's going to do. That might actually help me in the long run. But anyways, so I got the numbers 27, 10, and 1. So let's count it out. So obviously number 1 is this skin tone shade, which is called Canvas, I believe. Yeah, Canvas. And then we'll count out 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we got a pretty neutral color. And then 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. So we got a blue, a champagne, and a skin tone color. So, not gonna lie to you, I'm freaking out right now because I don't know how I'm gonna do that. But I guess we have to do it. It just doesn't go together, and I don't know how I'm gonna go from blue to like, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I really don't, and I'm freaking out right now. I have an idea. So what I'm gonna do, or what I think I'm gonna do, is kind of do like a winged out blue and then cut my crease and put that champagne on there. But then I'm not using the... I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do, this is so boring, but this is the only thing I can think of. I'm gonna do like a winged out blue, set, I'll cut out the crease and then I'll set it with that plain color, and then I'll use that pink for like my inner corner highlight. So boring, but I literally no idea what else to do. I don't want to put the blue like in my crease and blend it out because it's just going to be bad. I can already tell it's just not going to be good. So I'm going to go in with that blue, which is called Playground, I think. Yeah, called Playground. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. And I'm just gonna put it in my crease. Okay, so it's looking horrendous right now, but hopefully once I cut the crease, it will be okay. This looks hella crazy. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing right now? I'm gonna go ahead and take just like a fluffy brush with a little bit of that canvas color. That's number 1 in my little challenge. And I'm just gonna go above this line. See if I can blend it. I don't know if I want it blended or not. I haven't really gotten that far yet. I feel like maybe a little bit blended at least. Alright, well now that we got that disaster happening, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. So I'm just going to take some of Paint Pot with a flat brush, like eyebrow brush. I'm going to go into the Paint Pot. And I'm going to need to move my mirror closer for this, so. I never thought you guys would see me create a look like this, to be 100% honest with you. I see them on Instagram all the time and I'm like, wow, oh my god, that looks so pretty. I could never do it though, and here I am. Alright, so that is as even as that's going to get. I'm kind of on a time crunch right now. So, I'm just going to go in with a little shader brush. And I'm going to go as close to the line as possible and really deepen it up. Then I'm going to take that brush again and just blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take that canvas shade. And I'm just going to set this down. It's missing something. Wing eyeliner. That's what's missing. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do some wing liner and maybe a little bit of glitter along the edge here. I haven't really decided yet, but I don't know how I feel about it. I never do eyeshadow looks like this. I still have to use number 10, which is that pinkish color, but I think that's going to be like my inner corner shade. But let me go ahead and do some winged liner. I feel like that's what this look needs. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this huge wing thing happened 100% by accident. I did not mean to do this. It was one of those things where, like, you know how when you do your eyeliner it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger? I'm just kind of rolling with it. But I think what I'm gonna do is take some like a glitter eyeliner and outline the black of the liner. Maybe it will make it look a little bit smaller because it's way too big. I mean, it kind of goes with the look, but I just personally not a fan. So I'm gonna go in with some glitter liner. I'm gonna outline the top of the liner. Okay, so I'm not 100% obsessed with this look, but that's what happens when you can't really choose what you're doing, you know? But yeah, it was a good challenge. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup off camera, like my lashes, my foundation, that kind of stuff. And I will be right back to put on the last shade that I'm gonna be using, which I think was number 10. It's the shade Sister. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my inner corner of my brow bone, and then this look will be complete. Okay, so I'm back. Now let's finish up the eyes. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that blue shade with that fluffy brush I was using earlier, just a little bit, and I'm gonna smoke that on my lower lash line. So what I did for my lower lash line is I took this blue. Now I'm going to take this shade called Sister. I'm going to put that on my inner corner and my brow bone. Oh, that looks wicked pretty. It's not even really that pink. It's more like silvery. Alrighty, so I just added a little bit of lower lash mascara, but that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I hated this look when I first started it. I felt like it looked awful, but now I have the complete finished product and I actually kind of like it. I feel like it looks good, and I hope you guys like it too. Also, I'm sure there will be plenty of Instagram posts on this look, so stay tuned for that and follow me if you haven't already. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And so yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye!